Wake up, get down, come on now. The world is our playground. Get off the couch, the sun's out, the city is so loud. Think about, think about, think about, think about you and me. Thinking how, thinking how, thinking how, thinking how we could be. We go, we go, we go, we go perfectly, yeah. Yeah, we go perfectly. We go together like light and morning, like birds and soaring, like words and stories. Each day gets better when I'm around you. So glad I found you. I'll never doubt you. We don't care what they told us, no, we don't even notice. Let it roll off our shoulders. We go together like light and morning, like birds and soaring, like words and stories. Invite your friends, it won't end. We're just getting started. Oh, so take my hand, we're dancing the life of the party. Think about, think about, think about, think about you and me. Thinking how, thinking how, thinking how, thinking how we could be. We go, we go, we go, we go perfectly, yeah. Yeah, we go perfectly. We go together like light and morning, like birds and soaring, like words and stories. Each day gets better when I'm around you. So glad I found you. I'll never doubt you. We don't care what they told us, no, we don't even notice. Let it roll off our shoulders. We go together like light and morning, like birds and soaring, like words and stories. Thinking about, thinking about, thinking about, thinking about you and me. Thinking how, thinking how, thinking how, thinking how we could be. Ooh, we go perfect. Yeah, we go perfectly. We got together. Thinking about, thinking about, thinking about, thinking about. We got together. Thinking how, thinking how, thinking how, thinking how. We got together. Oh, we go perfect. Yeah, we go Ooh, we go perfect. Here we go perfectly.
Let's learn Perfect Dance Party. It's choreographed by Jean-Pierre Madge. It is a 32 count, 4-wall beginner level line dance with a restart on wall 5 after 4 counts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the restart, and then we're going to go around and dance 6 walls of the dance so that you know how it all flows, so you can hopefully dance this on the dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Perfect Dance Party. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to step our right foot forward, point your left toe to the left side. Step your left foot forward, point your right toe to the right side. We're now going to do 2 walks forward, step forward, right, left, and we're going to rock our right foot forward and recover back onto your left. Let's try it with some counts. Weights on your left foot, you're starting with your step point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to step back with our right foot and point your left toe to the left side. Step back with your left and point your right toe to the right side. We're now going to do 2 walks back, step back, right, left, and we're going to do a right coaster step, stepping our right foot back, left foot together, right foot forward. Let's try it with some counts. We would have just rock, recover, weights on your left foot, you're doing your back point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to do a grapevine with a cross to the left. You're going to step your left foot to the side, right foot behind, left foot side, cross right over left. You're now going to rock your left foot to the left side, recover onto your right, and you're going to cross your left over your right and do a double clap. Let's try that with some counts. Weights on your right foot, you're going to do your grapevine with a cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. You're going to step your right foot to the right side, touch your left next to your right. We're going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping our left foot to the left side and touch our right. We're now going to do a V step, stepping our right foot out into the right diagonal, step your left foot out into the left diagonal, step your right foot back center, and step your left next to your right. And that is the end of the dance. So let's try it with some counts. We would have just crossed and double clap. You're doing your side touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're starting with your step point. Step, point, walk, walk, rock, recover. Back, point, walk, back, coaster, step. Side behind, side cross, side rock, cross, clap, side touch, quarter touch, out, in. And then you're ready to start over with your step point. Let's try it with some counts. Weights on your left, you're stepping forward and pointing with your right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. So now let's talk about the restart. The restart's going to happen on wall 5, which is your second time you'll be facing the 12 o'clock wall. You're going to dance the first 4 counts, which is your cross points, and then you're going to start all over again. So on wall 5, you're going to end up doing 4 cross points to start the dance. So we're right here. You're going to do a step and point, step, point, step, point. At this point, you're going to restart, and it's going to become wall 6. You'll then dance the rest of the dance all the way through, doing your step, point, rock, recover, all of that. So now let's practice that with some counts, and then we're going to go around. Weight is on your left foot. You're doing your 2 cross points for wall 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, restart. Step, point, walk, rock, recover. Back, point, walk back in your coaster. Step, side behind, side cross, side rock, cross, side touch, quarter touch, out, in. And then you're just going to dance the rest of the dance all the way through. So now let's go around. We're going to dance 6 walls of the dance so that you can practice the flow of that restart. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we're going to do counts. Weight is starting on your left foot. You're starting with your step point. Step, point, walk, rock, recover. Back, point, walk back in your coaster. Step, side behind, side cross, side rock, cross, and double clap. Side touch, quarter touch, out, in, step, point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, point, walk, rock, recover. Back, point, walk back, coaster, step. Side behind, side cross, side rock, cross, and double clap. Side touch, quarter touch, out, in, step, point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right here, we're going to dance the 2 step points forward and then restart the dance. Step, point, restart wall 6. Step, point, walk, rock, recover. Back, point, back, point, walk back, coaster step. Side behind, side cross, side rock cross, double clap. Side touch, quarter touch, out, out, in. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned Perfect Dance Party with the tutorial, scroll to the end of this video and practice with the rear facing demo so that you can rock this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Perfect Dance Party. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
Wake up, get down, come on now. The world is our playground. Get off the couch, the sun top, the city is so loud. Think about you and me. Thinking how we could be. We go perfectly, yeah. Yeah, we go perfectly. We go together like light and morning, like birds and soaring, like words and stories. Each day gets better when I'm around you. So glad I found you. I'll never doubt you. We don't care what they told us, no, we don't even notice. Let it run like a shooter. We go together like light and morning, like birds and soaring, like words and stories. Invite your friends, it won't end. We're just getting started. Oh, so take my hand, we're dancing the life of the party. Think about you and me. Thinking how we could be. We go perfectly, yeah. Yeah, we go perfectly. We go together like light and morning, like birds and soaring, like words and stories. Each day gets better when I'm around you. So glad I found you. I'll never doubt you. We don't care what they told us, no, we don't even notice. Let it run like a shooter. We go together like light and morning, like birds and soaring, like words and stories. Thinking about you